Manipur government employees today extended support to the nationwide general strike called by government employees and various trade unions across the country, pressing various demands. State government employees under the aegis of Manipur Government Services Federation, including staff of the Civil Secretariat, health institutions, education department, youth affairs and sports, and various other departments staged protest in front of their respective offices. Speaking to media, MGSF President El Sarat stated that the federation, being affiliated to All India State Government Employees Federation, Confederation of Central Government Employees and Officers, and other national trade union bodies participated in the nationwide strike in solidarity. He said the key demands raised by state government employees include release of pending DA, DR, arrears on par with central government employees, enhancement of the retirement age from 60 to 62 years, implementation of the 8-pay commission, restoration of the old pension scheme in place of new pension scheme, withdrawal of full labor courts, regularization of contractual employees, and implementations of a comprehensive health insurance scheme, among others.
mayam punamakna mapung bhana sabunchuk pipi base masigi damakta koina Manipur State Pensioners Union aduga Manipur Government Services Federation anina mayam karmachari sangsan khudingmakko department gi karmachari khudingmakko koina thagatpo phongdoksari matungnasu akoi punamak tungchenminaduna akoi phangkham thokpa aina yaba due benefits I-pay commission की recommendation implement on ba due release to ba promotion backlog में हम थोप बा promotion avenue sembi ba all pension restore to ba high जिम्मा demand पुनः मुझे कोई में पुन्ना मधुंग जो चंगसिन मिनसी